Good morning, grade 7s. Today we are looking at exercise 6.8 on page 91. We will be adding and subtracting mixed numbers. I'm going to go through each of the examples with you on pages 90 and 91 so that you are prepared to do 6.8 on your own. Example 1 gives us the following sum: 3 and 2 over 6 plus 1 and 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6. Remember, we must work downwards. Now, there are many ways of adding these fractions together, but I think the way that you are used to is the following. If we add our whole numbers first, 3 plus 1 is 4. Then, because the denominators are all the same, we can go ahead and add the numerators together. So 2 plus 1 is 4, and they are sixths. Now that answer cannot be left as it is because it can be simplified. So we are going to divide the top by 2 and the bottom by 2. Whole number stays the same, and your answer is 4 and 2 over 3. Example 2 is 3 and 4 over 5 plus 2 and 2 over 5. Once again, we will add our whole numbers first. 3 plus 2 is 5. Our denominators are the same, so we can add our numerators. 4 plus 2 is 6, and they are fifths. Now, that is an improper fraction, so we need to simplify it. 5 goes into 6 once, so we add that 1 to the 5, and we get 6. And we are left with 1 over 5. If we look at example 3, the sum is 2 and 7 over 12 minus 4 over 12. Whole numbers first. 2 minus nothing is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3, and they are over 12. Once again, we need to simplify that answer. We can divide top and bottom by 3. So our answer is 2 and 1 over 4. If we move on to example 4, the sum is 4 and 5 over 12 minus 2 and 7 over 12. Now straight away we can see a problem. 5 is too small to subtract 7. So we're going to need to borrow from the 4 to make the 5 a bigger number. 4 is 3 plus 1. And you'll agree that 12 over 12 is 1. And don't forget your 5 over 12. Minus 2 and 7 over 12. So this becomes 3. Your 12 plus your 5 is 17 over 12. Minus your 2 and 7 over 12. 3 minus 2 is 1. 17 minus 7 is 10 over 12. We can simplify that answer. If we divide top and bottom by 2, we will have 1 and 5 over 6.